grow more fruit than you can eat, you should make a jam out of it.
That's right. I'm Chetna
And I'm Vihan.
and today we'll show you how to make a very easy guava jam from the fresh guavas that we've harvested from our garden.
Do you remember I made a lime marmalade or lime jam video?
Yes, that's right. In case you've missed watching that video, you can click on the link here and watch it again. Do you know the humble guava has more vitamin C than an orange? Guavas are loaded with nutrients. And since all of our recipes are healthy, the guavas are organic from the garden, we chose to replace pectin with chia seeds for thickening our guava jam.
My mom has taught me a simple technique to know when our jam is ready. When we move the spatula and the jam stops coating the bottom of the pan, we know that the jam is ready.
So it's ready?
Yeah, it is ready.
We made 2 batches of the jam. The guava jam in this bottle is for short term. It has no sugar in it, only a little bit of honey. This one has sugar in it. It can last longer. It can last for up to 6 months in your fridge. And this one would last for up to 2 weeks in your fridge.
Mama, don't you think this can be a beautiful gift for someone's birthday party or Diwali?
Of course, yes. And one doesn't need an occasion to make one's friends feel special.
Yeah.
So we can gift these to them anytime. Do give this recipe a try and do let us know how it went via the comment section below. If you're not a subscriber to GetMyHarvest YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. While we enjoy our guava jam on the toast, we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.